Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on Messenger app Playback on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to update your settings and enjoy the enhanced Playback feature on Messenger. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, find and tap on Apps in the Settings menu. This will display a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and tap on the Messenger app. This will take you to the Messenger app settings, where you can adjust various features and permissions. Now, find the option that says Appear on Top and tap on it. This feature allows Messenger to appear on top of other apps while in use. Once you have tapped on Appear on Top, you will see an option to Allow Permission. Tap on this to give Messenger the necessary permissions to display on top of other apps. And that's it. You have successfully turned on Messenger app Playback on your Android device. Enjoy the updated Playback feature and make the most out of your Messenger experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy messaging.